Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you're welcome to Nasib IT. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how can you design the logo of Google by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So guys, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it you have to click on the file, then you have to click on new. Then we have to select inches from this box. Then click on this box and type here 7 inches. Then click on this box and type here 4 inches. Then click on advanced option, then select 300 ppi. Then you have to click on create. So after creating the page you have to select the shape tool, then you have to select the round shape, then press and hold the shift key and draw a shape in here. Then you have to select the move tool, then click on stroke, then disable the stroke, then click on fill, then you have to select any color. Then you have to select the move tool, then click on edit, then you have to click on copy, then click on edit again, then you have to click on paste in front. Then press and hold the shift key and the alt key, then decrease the size of the duplicate shape. Then you have to select this shape, then you have to click on fill, then you have to select any color from here. So now you have to select the shapes again, then you have to select the rectangle tool, then you have to draw a shape like this, then you have to change the color of this shape. Then you have to select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here. So now we have to select the shape tool, then you have to select the line segment tool, then you have to draw a line like this, then you have to draw a line again like this. So now we have to select the move tool, then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then you have to select this line, then you have to drag this in here. So then you have to select all layers from here, then you have to click on stroke, then select the black color, then click on fill, then disable the fill by clicking on here. So now you have to select the shapes again, then you have to select the shape builder tool, then press and hold alt key, then you have to select these shapes. So then you have to press and hold alt key again, then you have to select these shapes from here. Then you have to press and hold alt key again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here. So now we have to release the alt key, then you have to click on here, then click on here, then click on here, then you have to press and hold the left button of your mouse, then you have to select these shapes. So now you have to select the move tool, then you have to select the shape, then you have to click on fill, then you have to select any color, then you have to click on here, you have to click on fill from the gradient panel. If you don't find it, so you have to click on windows, then you have to select gradient. So then you have to double click on here, then you have to write this color code in this box, so you can note this color code to use this color accurately. So then you have to click on OK, then you have to select the shape, then you have to double click on fill, then you have to paste this color code in here, you have to write this color code in here, then you have to click on OK, then you have to select this shape, then you have to double click on here, then you have to write this color code in here, then you have to click on OK again, then you have to select this, then double click on here, then you have to write this color code in here, then you have to click on OK. So after that you have to select all the shapes, then you have to click on stroke, then you have to disable the stroke by clicking on here. So now here you can see our design has been completed. So now we have to set this logo in a mockup. So I am setting this logo in a mockup. So now after setting the logo in the mockup you can see the final result. So in this way you can design the logo of Google by using Adobe Illustrator. So if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.